Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, I'll guide you step-by-step through setting up the TP-Link N300 Wi-Fi extender manually. If you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi signals in certain areas of your home or office, this setup will help extend coverage and improve your overall connection. First, let's unbox the TP-Link N300 Wi-Fi extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and the power adapter. That's all you need to get started. Next, plug your extender into a power outlet somewhere between your router and the area where you want to extend the Wi-Fi signal. Ideally, place it within range of your router for optimal performance. Now, we need to connect your phone or computer to the TP-Link extender default Wi-Fi network. Look for a Wi-Fi network that starts with TP-Link_extender in your device's Wi-Fi settings. Once you're connected, open your web browser and type http://tplinkrepeater.net in the address bar, or you can use the default IP address 192.168.0.254. This will bring up the login page for the TP-Link extender. To log in, enter the default username and password, both are usually admin. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main setup interface, where you can begin configuring your TP-Link RE105 Wi-Fi extender settings for optimal performance. Next, a list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Choose the network you want to extend, then click on it. When prompted, enter the correct Wi-Fi password to allow the extender to connect and begin boosting your existing signal. After entering the Wi-Fi password, the TP-Link extender will connect to your router. You'll be given an option to name the extended Wi-Fi network. You can keep the same name or give it a new one. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Finally, check the extended Wi-Fi signal in the area where coverage was weak. You should notice a stronger and more stable connection. This confirms that your TP-Link extender is working properly and effectively boosting your network's range. If you face any issues or need assistance during the setup process, our expert support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance and troubleshooting. Just give us a call at 1-323-507-3713 anytime. And that's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link N300 Wi-Fi extender manually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.